Hey everybody, so welcome back to Tip Tuesday. I hope everybody had a great long weekend. So what I want to show you today is actually one of our feature products in our July newsletter. So if you're on our email list, keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, we do have hard copies available to be picked up at the reception area. Some really great articles written by our very own therapists of the clinic. Anyway, so today's Tip Tuesday is, did you know that you could improve your lower back range of motion by rolling and exercising your foot? And I'm going to show you how you do it. So the reasoning behind why would exercising my foot improve my lower back range of motion? So I was at a fascial course last year, and apparently we have what's called like a fascial train. So basically, fascia, for example, is connective tissue, and it lines all of our muscles. It makes up tendons, ligaments, joint capsules. That's the connective tissue, and it does what its name suggests. It connects things and keeps the muscles in place and allows the muscles to slide over each other during contracting and relaxing. So we have a fascial train that goes up the back side of our body. So it starts at the bottom of the foot, comes up the calves, the hamstrings, goes through the lower back, and actually goes up all the way to the skull. So by rolling the foot, we can actually get the fascia to release, release some tension, and that should give us a little bit of lower back range of motion. So in order for you to see, I'm going to back up and hopefully you can still hear me. So I'm just going to start off by bending forward so you can see my range of motion. So right now, I can basically get my fingertips to touch the floor, and then I feel pulling through the back of my leg. So I definitely don't want to try to overstretch myself, but that's right now where my lower back range of motion is. So we're going to take our little ball, and it's recommended that you're rolling your foot for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, but for the purpose of this live video, I'm just going to do it for a couple of seconds, and we're going to just see if even doing a couple seconds worth of rolling. So I'm literally just rolling my foot forward and back with, I would say, moderate pressure over the ball. Okay, and you're going to do both sides of the foot. So I'm just going to switch feet for like I said, for the purpose of this video. We're going to try not to do it for as long as you would. And of course, you could do this sitting down at your desk. You could just be rolling your foot for a couple minutes on one side, a couple minutes on the other side. So you don't have to be standing, which is great because that means, you could be working away while rolling your foot. All right, so now I'm going to retest and see if I've gained a little bit of range of motion. And so right now I can actually get pretty much my fingers flat down on the ground before I feel that same stretch. So just rolling for a couple of minutes probably gave me about this much more range of motion and bend in my lower back. So anyways, I encourage you to try. If you don't have a ball, we do carry them in the clinic. And hopefully you've enjoyed Tip Tuesday. See you guys later. Bye.